up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to let you guys know that the content of this video is completely different. I really hope that you guys enjoy. I really hope that this video is somewhat helpful or a lot helpful for you guys to follow. This is a cooking video, okay? I'm following this recipe that I found on Pinterest. Very very easy, very simple recipe, and also very delicious. If you're into seafood and whatnot, pretty sure you're gonna enjoy and like this video. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. And also don't forget, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are aware of every time that I upload a video for you guys. I'm gonna try to be very consistent. Very hard for me, but I will try my best. Also, don't forget to share. Please share out there with your friends, family, whatever you got out there. Please share. Let's keep in mind that I am new to YouTube, so I promise I will try to get better and I will try to be as good as I can to all of you guys. So with that being said, let's head on with this video. Hey guys, so I'm using a whole cucumber here. We're gonna go ahead and dice this out. For this, I'm gonna use half cup of red onions. And for this part, guys, it only said one jalapeno, but me, personal choice, I decided to use 2 jalapenos. And right here, we're gonna get a 1/4 cup of cilantro. And for this sauce, I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of shrimp cocktail sauce. Now, I'm going to try to get 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Now, we're going to go ahead and jump to this hot sauce. Personally, I love Valentina, so this is just your personal choice of hot sauce. Right here, as you can see, I'm going to work with 5 avocados, which makes 10 slices. Okay? For this, you're only going to need 1 pound of cooked shrimp. Now, once you have everything together, you know what's next. We're going to start mixing all our vegetables together, our condiments, our spices. I also forgot to mention, guys, that I know that you see tomato in there. I just want to let you know that I used 1 cup of tomatoes. I tried putting the video back in, but for some reason it was giving me a very hard time. So I do apologize for that. But you can see me here mixing everything together. Okay, so here I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of pepper. Also, you're going to see me using garlic salt here. This was not on the recipe, but as a personal choice, I love how everything comes out with the garlic sauce, how it tastes, the flavor that it gives to my recipes, to whatever I'm making. So I went ahead and used the same amount as the pepper, which was 1 tablespoon of garlic salt. Now, as you can see, I'm just mixing everything on my spices, everything together one more time. Okay, so once you have everything mixed, we're gonna go ahead and jump to our avocados. As you can see here, I decided to take a little bit more of skin of the avocados. I wanted to put more filling in there, so I just decided to make the hole a little wider, a little deeper, a little bigger. So you're gonna see me that with what I got with the skin that I got from the avocados, I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my shrimp cocktail stuffing. I guess we call it stuffing, you know, because technically it is stuffing. So you're gonna see me add it to my mix. So now we're gonna go ahead and jump right away to stuffing our avocados. I can't wait to like try this. This looks so delicious. It smells delicious. And let's not forget that it is very healthy. Let's be honest. We're not using any oils. We're using all natural fats here, which that's the avocado. And you know, I won't go deep into it because I am not an expert. But you know, here we are. We have our stuffed. So this is, let's not forget, Mexican shrimp cocktail stuffed avocados. Hope you guys enjoy. Keep watching and stay tuned for next time. Thank you.